Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we're exploring some of the most unique and hidden tiny home gems ever seen. Imagine living in a cozy, floating house, a secluded treehouse, or even a glass cabin in the middle of nature. These small homes are not just places to live, they are magical escapes from the world. Stay with us as we take you on a journey to the most breathtaking tiny homes ever built. This breathtaking tiny home is built on a floating island surrounded by crystal clear waters. With a cozy wooden deck, panoramic windows, and a peaceful hammock under the palm trees, it's the ultimate paradise. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and enjoying a morning coffee while the sunrise reflects off the water. Could you see yourself living here? High up in the trees, hidden among lush green leaves, is a stunning tiny home that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. This beautifully crafted treehouse has glass walls, a wooden bridge, and a private balcony overlooking a misty forest. It's the perfect retreat for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. This hidden, tiny home is straight out of a fantasy novel. Built into the hillside, this cozy Hobbit-style house blends perfectly with nature, with a charming round door, a grass-covered roof, and a warm, rustic interior. It feels like a magical, secret hideaway. This eco-friendly gem stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter, making it the perfect dream home. Imagine living in a modern glass cabin, completely surrounded by untouched wilderness. This hidden, tiny home allows you to wake up to breathtaking mountain views and sleep under a sky full of stars. With its minimalist design and nature-infused atmosphere, this home is proof that small spaces can offer the biggest experiences. Perched on the edge of a dramatic cliff, this tiny home offers one of the most incredible ocean views imaginable. With floor-to-ceiling windows, a wooden deck overlooking the waves, and a cozy fireplace inside, this is the ultimate dream home for those who love the sound of the sea. Would you dare to live on the edge homes are more than just small spaces. They are escapes into a world of simplicity, beauty, and peace. Whether it's a floating island, a cozy treehouse, or a hidden underground gem, each of these tiny homes is a masterpiece. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking home inspirations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.